girl, what's up?
Hey, I was just in the neighborhood.
Come on in. You want to see my apartment?
I would love to see your apartment.
All right. So, hey guys. This is our annual apartment tour. And we live at the cottages. And we're leaving so we can say that so no one comes and kidnaps us. So, right when you walk in, you have our living room. So we have Annie's awesome couch that she got for us. And a TV, and we hang out here a lot. And this is Peyton's room, and we'll be showing that in a moment. Then you come over here, and you have the guest bathroom. Show yourself in the mirror.
It is so awesome because we've never had a guest bathroom
It's
before.
so awesome. It's a game changer to have a guest bathroom. And then we have our bar cart, and this is where we take all of our selfies, right?
So many selfies.
Then you come over here, you have our kitchen, great appliances and such.
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel, and we cook a lot of really yummy meals in here. Then, when you come back here, it's a little messy, but this is where we have a little bit of storage and our washer and dryer. Because you always need to wash and dry your things. Then, when you come on upstairs to the second floor, you come here. And this is where we check out all of our outfits.
So many good outfits. Fit check.
All right, so then Annie, this is Annie's room right here. She's gonna show it. Oh, and this is a storage closet also that we
Keep stuff in.
like to keep it full.
Come on in. So this is my room. I love it. So this rug, I love it, and I can't bring it to New York, so super sad. This dresser I got from this little like discount store, and it's like a little broken, but so cute. This TV that doesn't work at all. Haven't worked all year. My bed.
It's amazing.
And this art piece that I got from New York. It's a subway map with graffiti on it. And then I have
Her
my
amazing view.
amazing view of the cottages, and I can just see what's.
And if you want to see something fun, there's the turf, and people are playing on the turf even.
Yeah, people love playing. They play beer die, piccolo,
And it's our friends even. All right. And there's other people's porches, and it's a good community.
I love it here. 10 out of 10. And then we all have both our private bathrooms. Mine is equipped with a sink, toilet, medicine cabinet, and shower. All the essentials. And it's awesome.
She has a
because
beautiful shower.
we
Wow. I mean, that's just stunning.
all have our own bathrooms.
And
plus
she
next to
has a huge
and a
closet.
Mac Daddy closet. It's a little messy right now,
But it's huge.
You get the point.
All right, moving on. Now come into my room. Let me just turn on the light. So this is my room. It's not as big as Annie's, but I like it cozy. So we have my bed, we have my desk. This is where I get a bunch of work done. And my dresser. And this is my closet. It is also a little messy, but it's very big still.
Very functionable,
My bathroom has a tub.
which is awesome for baths.
Super awesome, but then all the same things. But this is the kicker.
Drum roll
Drum roll, please. Oh, it's locked.
for safety.
So this is our porch where we hang out all the time. We used to have a table with a TV right here, but we took the table and used it for something else. But we always sit on this couch, and we always sit at this picnic table and eat our dinners every single night out here. And we have parties with our neighbors, and we actually have parties like
Down
we
here.
have people come down here and we stay up here. Oh, and we also have a dog. His name is Spot.
He is.
Hi, Spot. We love you.
Hi, baby. He's gotten used to
He's
our
shy.
behavior, if you could say.
So that squirrel just flew.
Flying
Anyways,
squirrels.
Now that's it for the upstairs. Let's go to Peyton's room. All right, guys. Now it's a few days later, and so here's Peyton's room. She wasn't home when we did it first.
Welcome. This is my door.
Mm-hmm.
This is where my awesome full-length mirror used to be, but I sold it, so now I have this little makeshift.
It works.
My bed, my little bench thing. My desk
Amazing.
is over here. My calendar, it actually is May now, but it's fine.
It's okay.
Dresser, some of the knobs are falling off. Things are going really well.
Nice closet.
And then here you'll find the bathroom.
Mhm.
Nice shower.
So amazing.
Sink. This rug is a little dirty, so don't look at it. And toilet.
It's amazing.
And
This is her room.
yeah, it used to be better, but we're
So-
moving out. So.
Yeah, we're moving out in a few days. So that's it for the tour. I just went to the pool, so I'm in my bathing suit. But we hope you guys enjoyed. See ya
Thanks for coming.
next year.